In today's world, people live longer, healthier, and more fulfilling lives. They keep their bodies and minds active through exercise, social engagement, and lifelong learning. But what if there were a way to combine all these benefits into one enriching experience? Introducing Brainy'z Smart Table, the Brain Station. Designed for the modern senior community, it encourages social interaction, cognitive maintenance, and fun, all in one innovative platform. With a wide range of activities, including brain games, language learning, coordination, music, and more, the Brain Station helps maintain cognitive functions, sharpens the mind, and brings joy to daily life. The Brain Station collects and analyzes user data, providing personalized reports and aiding in the early detection of cognitive decline. In addition, we are introducing a user-generated content tool for maximum flexibility, creating a user ecosystem. Brain Station, where technology meets well-being. The future of enriching senior lives is here.